Hello friends, welcome to our welcome to my channel, that is Hariharan Express channel. So today I will discuss one problems. The problem is determine the radix of a number from given quadratic equation. Suppose one quadratic equation is given, then how to determine the radix of a number? Very simple way. Of course, it is a very difficult concept, but I will show you very easy way we can also solve this particular problem. So let us consider, since it is a quadratic equation is given, so we have to take that quadratic equation, very simple way, then find its radix. Okay, so quadratic equation, very simple way it is defined. Suppose x square minus 10x and plus 31 having radix r. We have to find out this particular radix r. Okay, if we go through this equation is given in this way. We know that how to define this equation. Very simple way we can find out. Okay, suppose another is x value and y value suppose given. Okay, if solution of the particular equation is given as x is some value and that is the factor is given, like x is 5, x is 5 and also x is 8. If this is a solution, for example, this is given, actually this is x is 5 is a solution, x is 8 another solution. This is given in this way. Okay, so now we will see what is the solution of this particular problem to determine the radix of a number. Okay, then we see how to solve this particular problem. That means if this is a solution of a given quadratic equation, then find out what is the solution. That means x minus x square minus 10x, okay, plus 31 radix we don't know. Suppose the radix is this one. Since this is a solution, that is x minus 5, okay, into x minus 8, it is given, that is with this is a solution of this given radix number of base, that is 10, of base 10. Okay, suppose this is 10, this is given, this is base 10. Based on that, this radix we have to find out. That means whenever we will multiply this number, then what is the result of this? Okay, from this we can we know that if this one we can find out x square, okay, and minus 5 plus 8, this part is the sum of that one, 5 plus 8 x, okay, and plus 40. This is the equation whenever this factor is given, x is equal 5, x is 8, we get in this in this way. Okay, therefore you see, if we go through this one, then what is the result? That means this particular x coefficient is 5 plus 8, that means 13. Here is that is 40. Okay, that means having base 10. So here radix would know, that is r. Means here if we equivalent to this, then what you get, 10 to the power or 10 having radix r is equal to here 13 radix 10. Okay, that is radix 10. Like this we have to that is find out what is corresponding value, or we have to find out this particular radix, what is the radix by which it will be equivalent. This is one, this is the first. Second one is suppose this is the one case. Second case is another part. This is 31 radix r is equal to 40 having base 10. Okay, here 31 radix r, here 40 radix is 10. Now we solve that what is the r value. by which the problem will be solved. We have to determine what is the R value. Okay. Now see, now determine this one. We don't know actually what is the value of this. Okay. Now see, if we go through this one, 10, here is 13. What is the value of this? Very simple. Okay. Since it is a 10, actually 13, how to determine this value which is equivalent to this one? Okay. Which is equivalent to this one, by which it will find the value of that is 13. Very simple way. Since it is a 13, here is a 10, here also you can take excluding 13, that value cannot be come, because here you see 1 0. If we go through R is 13, for example, it is R 13, then what happens? 10 base 13 means what is the decimal value? 1 into 13 to the power 1 plus 0 into 13 to the power 0, that is 13. Okay, having base 10. If we taking any other value, suppose 11, 12, what are the value, this 13 number cannot be come. So obviously we found the here R is 13. Okay, R is 13. You see, 8, 10, 11, what are the value we can take it, that is it never be that is 13. You see that you can check any other values. Here also test it. Here is 3. Here we can take a 13. If we here 13, then we can test again. If 30 is the 13 or any other. Here 31. 31 means 3 to the power 10 to the power, 13. 13 to the power 1 plus 1 into 13 to the power 0. Then here 13 into 3 into 13 plus here is 1 is 1. That is 39 plus 1. That means 40. So 40 is there. So 40 is there. No problem. That means the particular radix value is 13. There is no other value. Any other value, suppose we will take, we can't get this particular radix value. Any value we can take. Suppose 13, 12, 15, 16, whatever. 15 not possible. Less than suppose we take, that is not possible. Okay. So if we test 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any other number, then definite we will get the 13 is the radix. If any other data we will consider, that not be appropriate value for radix excluding 13. So 13 is the right the radix number of the given problem. If we go through any other number, it is not possible. Okay. So I hope all of you understand this particular topics or these particular problems. Okay. Thanks. You can take any different problems regarding on this particular category of problems. You can solve it. This is the basic problems I also solved. Okay. I hope all of you understand this particular problems. Okay. Thanks to all.